I always love it when you put on weight when you're about to get big, my girl. Yeah, man, you hear that? Backers, turn up. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Today we come to review a song, you see? And it's not a brand new song, but it's a new song. The man said, your pussy are the best place on earth. That song right there. The last one we did was what? She don't mean nothing. Stop that up your face. I'm so horny right now. So walk round in a dress. Remember the one there? Say come get up for me, babes. Turn it back way, give me babes. You want play, then a rough will be playing. All I know, you are the big time art. Brace on your man like picture up on the wall, them kind of thing there. So I'm in a Vybz Kartel mood, people, meaning set. I came to share with my SouFLoTV audience another one of the Vybz Kartel bangers them. And right now I'm not pre too much bad man tune enough. Because everybody a bad man nowadays. The whole way have guns, some illegal and some legal and these kind of things. And every man claims that them have the heart to bust it for the time, come on these things. So I want to leave off of the bad man thing right now here. Make the bad man them go and do them bad man thing. And everybody who say them bad, when it come time to prove that you're really bad, then you step out and prove that you're really bad. We all born and we all go there. Right? That's not what we come to talk about though. I pray the girls them tune. Ask anybody. I don't care what walk of life you're from. I don't care who you claim to say is your favorite artist. I want you to do something. Especially the man them. Man, listen. Here's what I want y'all to do. I don't care if you're in England. I don't care if you're in Switzerland. I don't care if you're in Germany. Big up Germany. I'm a place. Big up England. I'm a place. Especially Southwest London. The whole London. Big up them place there. Big up New York City. Big up the whole of Jamaica. You know, so I'm a place that already on these things. But the business way in the world in there. That's what I want to say. Big up Canada. I'm a place. Me want the man them, you see, to spin this song in the presence of your female for a good night. That's all you have to do. When a man said, I always love when I put on weight. I always love when I put on weight, man. And you're about to get big, my girl. Yeah, man, you hear that? Backers, turn up. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Your pussy are the best place on earth. If you're in a Miss World, you come first. So SouFLoTV is here today to read through the words of the song. Alright? And I'm going to try not to sing the song even though it's so infectious. That's what I've been telling y'all. Like, let's get into the words of the song first and then after the words of the song. Because this is for the people that who are in these Czechoslovakia and Sweden and Amsterdam who their English is not so strong, worse than Patois. So SouFLoTV, when we come now, we come and we break it down for them and give them a full understanding so them say, oh, that's what he said. Alright? So see there. The man said, I always love when you put on weight, man, and your body get big, my girl. Yeah, man. You hear that? Backers them turn up. Me now gonna sing it. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Your pussy are the best place on earth. If you're in a Miss World, you come first. You're hotter than a girl. She get murk. Our man a push badness. No worry. Shot with a fire, more con than a cup of porridge. Cause your pussy are the best place on earth. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Hear this. It can mean like summer in a Paris, tight like a traffic. Yo, Kartel bad, it can mean like summer in a Paris, big up Paris, tight like a traffic. Your titty them are foreign. New York, Miami, one of New York and one of Miami, bomba clock. Your body super cali, fragilistic espiali. Don't show sawadis, photo no damage. Look at that wordplay. Your body super cali, fragilistic espiale, doshasawadis, 4 ton of damage. You want a married man and you want a bachelor. Forget a bachelor, you have to go to college. Me get kicked out of school, but me go a jammies. Diamond in a me chain, slavery abolished. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Your pussy are the best place on earth. If you're in a Miss World, you come first. You're hotter than a girl, she get murk. Our man a push badness, no worry. Shot with a fire more corn than a cup of porridge. Cause your pussy are the best place on earth. Your pussy are the best place on earth. It come in like 30 bag of luggage, full up of money. Suffering in a republic, crown or duchess. You are nobody puppet, just like leprechaun you're lucky. Gold standard up it, highlight non-tuck it. You want me tell a lie and you want to forget the facts. You want to forget the facts. You have to get the office, plug in, log on, receive, print and packet. You still want to broke it like a bad habit. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Alright, so I could break down the whole song now. Hear what the man said. This is like a man talk to him girl, right? For those of you who don't understand how Jamaicans talk. What him said, and for those of you who even do understand how Jamaicans talk, but you have missed certain things in the song. When you go up to your girl and you whisper to her and you say, yo, my girl, I always love when you put on weight and your body get big, you know, my girl. Yeah, man. You hear that? Backers them turn up. So, enough man don't look on the woman and say, boy, babes, you get fat, you know, me think you need fit. Or the girl get fat, you know, out of shape, man. No man don't want to hear them things there. All when she stays up, she don't want to hear it. When I grab a woman and I tell her about me, I always love when you put on weight, man. And your body get big, my girl. Yeah, man. Is that a Jamaican thing that, because most Jamaican man love what? Them love a round body girl, a big body girl. That's what I say. Alright. Moving along. The chorus says it all. Your pussy are the best place on earth. Alright, so if you don't know, there are people out there on earth today that actually says that the vagina is God. The vagina is God because it creates life, or it brings to earth life, human form life then. And all of we must go through the vagina unless them cut you out of the belly, but at a natural passage. You know what I say? So with these things in mind, in other words then, whether that is true or not, what we're saying is in this song right here, Vybz Kartel is actually worshipping the vagina, this particular woman's vagina. If me I sing it to me woman, me I worship for her vagina. Me I tell her, I say, nowhere on earth is nice like your boom boom, your vagina, your tighty tighty. Your pussy are the best place for earth. You see? The man said, if she's in Miss World, like the Miss World contest, she would have come first. She hotter than a girl. So she don't have to worry about compare herself to her next girl. The next girl that get murk, that means that she dash away. Move, leave, gone. Can't compare to you, babes. Our man a push badness, no worry, me better than that. Shot with a fire more corn than a cup of porridge. So if you don't know porridge, if you don't know about cornmeal porridge, we don't talk about cornmeal porridge. If you ever see a cup of corn porridge or a cup of omni porridge, you see the amount of corn we night. Alright. So if a man give you that much corn, why? Count the amount of corn in the cup. Metaphors, right? So the man said, our man push badness, no worry. Shot to the fire more corn than a cup of porridge, right? Cause your pussy are the best place for earth. Alright, go back into that. Hear him comparing this woman now to where our vagina is like. Our vagina come in like summer in Paris. Hot and exotic. Summer in Paris. Tight like a traffic. When I say tight like a traffic, I think about some Houston, Texas rush hour traffic. I think about some New York City rush hour traffic. You understand? Tight. Your titty them are foreign. New York, Miami. That's why man I deal with the thing. Your body super cali. Who don't remember growing up and saying supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? And the man that say your body supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and what this? Photo no damage. You see it? Perfect photo picture, baby girl. Nothing damage over here. You want a married man and you want a bachelor. They all do, right? One or the other. The man I make a note said to get a bachelor, you're going to have to go to college because he's talking about a bachelor's degree because there's no bachelor over here because I'm done married already, but they can still have me, right? So, him said, me get kicked out of school, but me go to Jammies. If you don't know what Jammies is the old recording studio, recording complex in Jamaica. Jammies, King Jammies. Alright, enough superstars come out of Jammies. Go through Jammies, deal with Jammies. Alright, so he's giving ode to Jammies then. Like Mr. Kartel always bigging up the elders. Right? Diamond in a chain. Slavery abolish. And another way you can look on this also is him get kicked out of school, him never go college. Diamond in a chain, still slavery abolished. He didn't go the traditional route. He didn't go to school, get a degree, get a job, work for somebody how many years, accumulated wealth, slow motion style, and then now him have little diamonds in a chain or something. Him get kicked out of school, but him go to Jammies. So he went to the recording studio instead of going to college, right? And now diamond in a chain, slavery abolished. Him not slavery, him not slaving for anybody's system anymore is what he was saying. Alright, so you can look at with him double meaning of things and how him do things and say things. Right? Lyrical master man. Your pussy are the best place for earth. Your pussy are the best place for earth. If you're in a mess world, you come first. The last verse, right? The man said, your pussy are the best place for earth. Follow. It come in like 30 bag of luggage. That means it's fat and it's heavy. You see it? 30 bag of luggage. Full up of money. It's fat, it's heavy, and it is valuable. Very valuable, right? I can imagine 30 bag of luggage full up of money. And the man I tell her, say, I put it at the best place on earth. It come in like 30 bag of luggage full up of money. Filled with money, right? And then we go to some name brand. Safrinina Republic and Crown or Duchess. You are nobody puppet. Just like Leprechaun, you're lucky. Gold standard, up it. High like Nantucket, like the Nantucket Mountains. You want me to tell a lie and you want to forget the facts. You want to forget the facts, you have to go get an office. Aye, sir. Anywhere you take it, right? The man said plug in, log on, receive, print and packet. You still want to broke it like a bad habit. Don't. That means say even when them gear the facts, you know. You know, she have to go get the office and them gear the fax, she go still plug in, log on, packet, she go still plug in, log on, receive it, print and packet. You still want to broke it like a bad habit, meaning when she know what she know. Remember I tell her saying that she want a bachelor or she want a married man or she want a bachelor, right? But forget a bachelor, she have to go to college. Then say she want the fax, but forget the fax, she have to go get the office. You understand what I say? And them say when she get to office and she plug in, log on, receive, print and packet, she still want broke it like a bad habit. People like, comment, share and subscribe, man. But they are make the Kartel tune just the your pussy are the best place for earth. And big up all the SouFLoTV subscriber them, the liar one them, and big up all the SouFLoTV woman them, the liar one them. I'm out. Peace.